Introduction: the soul of sound. Music: a universal language, a powerful force. Behind every note, every chord, every melody lies an instrument. But these instruments are more than just tools. They are intricate creations, born from the hands of skilled artisans. Crafting a musical instrument is an art form in itself, a blend of precision, passion, and an intimate understanding of sound. From the selection of wood to the final tuning, each step in the process influences the instrument's voice. Imagine the delicate carving of a violin scroll or the meticulous hammering of a cymbal. These are not merely tasks, they are acts of devotion, imbued with the maker's knowledge and love for their craft. The creation of a musical instrument is a journey of transformation. Raw materials evolve into vessels of sound, capable of stirring emotions and inspiring generations. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a bridge between technical skill and artistic expression. In the hands of a musician, these instruments become extensions of the soul, channels for creativity and connection. A world of instruments. Brands and builds. The world of musical instruments is vast and varied, a testament to the diverse tapestry of musical traditions across the globe. From the familiar resonance of a Steinway piano to the earthy tones of a handcrafted didgeridoo, each instrument carries its own unique sonic signature. Consider the iconic Stratocaster, a guitar synonymous with rock and roll, prized for its versatility and bright cutting tone. Prices can range from a few $100s for beginner models to tens of thousands for vintage instruments. Fender, Gibson, and PRS are just a few renowned brands in the guitar world, each with its own distinct style and following. For those drawn to the elegance of orchestral instruments, brands like Yamaha and Selmer offer a wide range of high-quality violins, flutes, and trumpets. These instruments often come with a higher price tag, reflecting the precision and craftsmanship involved in their creation. Beyond these well-known names lies a world of independent luthiers and craftspeople, each adding their own unique voice to the world of instrument making. These artisans often specialize in specific types of instruments or building techniques, offering one-of-a-kind creations that embody the heart and soul of handcrafted artistry. The price of harmony. Understanding instrument costs. The price of musical instruments can vary greatly, from budget-friendly options to investments that rival the cost of a small car. Understanding the factors that influence pricing can help buyers make informed decisions. Materials play a significant role in determining cost. High-quality woods like spruce, cedar, and mahogany are prized for their tonal qualities and can significantly increase an instrument's price. Similarly, the use of precious metals, intricate inlays, and hand-carved details adds to the overall cost. Craftsmanship is another crucial factor. Instruments crafted by master artisans, particularly those with decades of experience, often command higher prices due to their exceptional quality and attention to detail. The time and skill invested in their creation are reflected in their value. Brand reputation and market demand also influence pricing. Well-established brands with a history of producing high-quality instruments often come with a premium price tag. Similarly, instruments that are in high demand or have limited availability may be priced higher. Navigating the purchase. A guide for first-time buyers. Purchasing your first musical instrument is an exciting step, but it can also feel overwhelming. Here are some key points to consider to make the process smoother. 1. Define your needs. Determine the type of music you want to play and the specific instrument that aligns with your interests. Research different brands, models, and their unique characteristics. 2. Set a budget. Musical instruments come in a wide price range. Establish a realistic budget to narrow down your options and avoid overspending. 3. Seek expert advice. Consult with music teachers, experienced musicians, or reputable music stores for recommendations. They can provide valuable insights and guide you towards instruments that suit your skill level and musical goals. 4. Try before you buy. Whenever possible, test out different instruments before making a purchase. Pay attention to their sound, feel, and overall playability. Don't hesitate to ask questions and compare different options. Section 5. The heart of the craft: time, skill, and dedication. Behind every exquisite musical instrument lies an immeasurable amount of time, skill, and unwavering dedication. Crafting these instruments is not a mere job. It's a labor of love, a testament to the human spirit's capacity for artistry and precision. Imagine the countless hours spent shaping and sanding a guitar's body, ensuring its curves are both aesthetically pleasing and ergonomically sound. Visualize the steady hand required to carve the delicate F-holes on a violin, openings that are crucial to its resonance and projection. The creation of a musical instrument is a journey of patience and perseverance. It's about coaxing sound from raw materials, transforming wood, metal, and string into vessels of musical expression. From the initial selection of tone woods to the final tuning and adjustments, every step in the process demands meticulous attention to detail. Instrument makers are alchemists of sound, blending their knowledge of acoustics, materials, and craftsmanship to create instruments that resonate with beauty and soul. Beyond the surface, the intricacies of instrument making. The art of instrument making extends far beyond the visible surface. It delves into the realm of acoustics, a deep understanding of how sound waves interact with different materials and shapes. Consider the bracing patterns inside a guitar's body, carefully designed to enhance its resonance and sustain. These internal structures, often hidden from view, are crucial to the instrument's sonic character. Similarly, the bore size and bell flare of a trumpet influence its tone, projection, and intonation. These seemingly subtle details, meticulously calculated and crafted, have a profound impact on the instrument's overall performance. Instrument makers must possess a keen ear and an intuitive understanding of how these factors interact. They are constantly experimenting, refining their techniques, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the pursuit of creating instruments with exceptional tonal qualities. Materials and their melody. The impact of choice. The materials used in instrument making play a pivotal role in shaping their sonic identity. Each wood, metal, and synthetic material possesses unique acoustic properties that influence an instrument's tone, resonance, and overall character. Spruce, for instance, is a highly sought-after tone wood known for its clear, resonant qualities, often used for the soundboards of guitars, violins, and pianos. Its lightweight yet stiff nature allows it to vibrate freely, producing a rich, balanced tone. Mahogany, on the other hand, is prized for its warm, resonant tones, often used for the backs and sides of acoustic guitars. Its dense, porous nature contributes to its rich, complex sound. Metals also play a crucial role in instrument making. Brass, with its bright, resonant qualities, is commonly used for trumpets, trombones, and other brass instruments. Silver, known for its clear, bell-like tone, is often used for flutes and other woodwind instruments. Resonance of tradition. The legacy of instrument makers. The art of instrument making is steeped in tradition, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. From the workshops of Cremona, Italy, where the legendary Stradivari violins were crafted, to the bustling music districts of cities worldwide, the legacy of these master craftspeople continues to inspire. These traditions encompass not only specific techniques and designs, but also a deep respect for the materials and an unwavering commitment to quality. Many instrument makers view their work as more than just a craft. It's a calling, a way to connect with the rich history and cultural significance of music. Today, while modern technology has brought new tools and techniques to the forefront, the heart of instrument making remains rooted in these time-honored traditions. The passion, dedication, and pursuit of sonic excellence continue to drive artisans to create instruments that inspire musicians and audiences alike. Conclusion. An ode to the unseen artists. In the tapestry of music, instrument makers often remain the unseen artists, their names whispered among musicians and collectors. Yet their contributions are paramount. They are the architects of sound, the craftspeople who transform raw materials into instruments capable of stirring the soul. The next time you hear the strum of a guitar, the haunting melody of a cello, or the triumphant blast of a trumpet, take a moment to appreciate the unseen hands that crafted these instruments. Acknowledge the time, skill, and passion poured into each piece of wood, each carefully shaped metal, each meticulously placed string. For within these instruments lies more than just wood and metal. There's a piece of the maker's heart, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and the timeless allure of music.